Hi, this is a video about how to write a function in R. Why we write a function? We write a function to do the repetitive kind of task in any program in a single go, or to make it more easy. Whatever mean, median, or some function, print function, whatever you use in R Studio, those are function. And in a function there are mainly four major uh, part. First one is function name, second one is the arguments of a function, then function body, then the return value. What is a function name? Function name is any sort of name which you can give. So and whatever command you will write will be stored in that, and you use that name to execute the function. And second one is the argument, where argument is a place in a function which hold certain values. Then function body, it contains a collection of statement that defines what the function does. Then the last one is your return values, which what it does is that once the function is executed, it this the values are stored in that particular uh, and if you in that particular the values, if you write it, the return values will give you that. So the function which I am going to write is a very basic one. We'll start with a basic one, then in the subsequent videos maybe I'll try to write complicated R functions. So the function which I am going to write is about the square of uh, values. For example, if I have 1 to 10 numbers and I want to compute it like square of each of these numbers. Instead of computing one by one, you can write a simple function which can give you the square of these numbers. In R there is already a function for that, that is your square root function. I'm writing we exactly don't know what what is the function body of that particular function. So I'm writing a function that a function here of which will do the same job. Let's do it. First you have to define, as I told, first you have to define the function name. For example, I want to compute square, so I will write sqrt square root, then I'll write the function. Okay, now this is your function argument. I want the square root of variable x. Then we will define function body here. Function body will be defined like this: for I I for I in 1 to x. Okay, what I am saying, for I in 1 to variable x. Okay, compute another variable y, which is I to the power 2. Then I'm saying print p. Now you can see that we define everything. We have a name, we have the argument, we have the function body. This is y. We have the function body, and we are saying that print the variable y. This is your return values. You can see that within a function you can also use the existing function which is there in R, for example print, and also you can use other function, mean, median, whatever you can function is there, you can embed that within a when you are writing a function. So now I'll execute it. Okay, it's done. If you open it, you can see that square function is there. Okay, now I'll specify x is equal to 6. So then sq u or t, this is the global element of x, is, will run it. You can see that it is giving you the square root of the number up to 6, because here we started from 1. We are saying that I in 1 to 6. Okay, so if we'll change it to 100, it will also run. You can see. So if for example I want to say 10, not from 1, from 10. Okay, then if no, for example I'll write it 2, then I'll run it. Okay, the function is done. You can see that is computed from 2, not from 1. Okay, this is a very basic R function. In next videos I may explain or try to write more complicated functions. So that is for this video. Thank you for watching.